guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jay Sotastic. So what? I don't know, but we're working on the pattern, the knowme pattern 2125. Okay, so I know that I am looking at the layouts here, and I think I'm going to start with the muslin, and then hold on, y'all can't see me. Hold on. Hey you guys, it's your girl Jay from Jay Sotastic. So what? I don't know, but we are doing some sewing over here today. We are actually going to be starting the process of knowme 2021, and I'm going to go through the whole process with you guys. Today I'm going to be cutting out the pattern and then placing it on the muslin, and then cutting it out from there and start the process of putting the pieces together. First doing all my markings, doing all my notches, doing everything, and I am making the shorts only, okay, out of the muslin. I think I can do the top. If I'm not sure, when I get to that process, I will come back and do that, okay? I will do it in muslin or whatever I need to do it in. Okay, the wind just blew. It feels good because it's kind of warm up here. But yeah, I'm going to need for shorts, which is B, I'm going to need to use pieces 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. And I think my muslin is a 45, and I am going to sew the 45 with the 100, yeah, with the nap size 22 through 26. Reason being is because the shorts have pleats in them, and I have, y'all know I got a booty. Okay, we ain't even going. Okay, so you got to put pleats in something and whatever. I'd rather sew it big and be able to take it in with the muslin and make it fit perfectly. And I can always downsize. What I can't do is I could make it bigger, but I don't want to go through all that. That's the reason why I'm using muslin fabric to make a toile, or a toile, whatever it is. Okay, so that's where we're going, and I'm gonna get to cutting out this pattern first, and that's all I'm gonna do for today. Well, I may lay it out and cut it as well, so let's get to it. All right, so here are the pattern directions, and we're going to try to follow them. There is a tutorial along with this, so I may follow it as I go. All right, y'all. So there you have it, you guys. All of our pieces cut out and marked. And then Tuesday will be the process of me sewing it together. And hopefully I will have these shorts completed by Wednesday. So that'll be the last, that might be when I upload the next video on Wednesday when I have this all done. I will share some of the sewing process with you as I go, and so we'll just, we'll go from there and see how it's going to work. So I'm excited about the project. Thank you guys for picking my next outfit. My fabric is not here yet, so I'm kind of glad it's not, because that way I will take my time and sew the muslin. Hopefully it'll be here by Wednesday or Thursday. If it's come Friday, come Friday. But by that time I'll be done cut out the top and then, sew the top together to make sure that things are working properly, because I really want to sew this suit well. So with that said, I'm going to let you guys go. Happy Monday. Enjoy the rest of your day. And I will see you when, the next video. All right. Y'all have a great day. Stay blessed. Thanks for watching.